In this video I will be showing you how to construct angle 45 degree, but first we need to construct a right angle. Finally, I will bisect the right angle. Your colleagues will appreciate you if you share this video with them. My WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen. You can always message me whenever you are having a question or an assignment, and immediately, I will send a video of the solution to you for free.